How to connect Trueview camera in TrueCloud app. Let's start the video. Go to Play Store and search for TrueCloud app. For iOS and Android, same procedure. Install it. Once installation done, open it, agree, click on local experience, to add camera you can click here or either here, click on enable, allow the access. Location you need to give the permission. In this interface you have multiple options to add the device. In this video I am going to show camera ID add option. Through Cloud ID it is going to be add. So I am going to click on camera ID add. Here you need to put Cloud ID, device name, username and password. This Cloud ID will be found in DVR or NVR. Under network setting option, or else in screen itself it will show bottom right side corner, that is the Cloud ID. Otherwise go to main menu, network setup, you will find P2B option ID. Give the ID, give the name as per requirement. Here I am showing demo, so that's why I am giving demo. Input the password, select number of channels. Now click on the confirm. You need to re-verify the details you have put it properly. After checking, click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, the device will be added. You need to click on the play button option to view the cameras. Once you click the play option, the cameras will be visible on your mobile. This is how you can add the device